Good morning everyone. Already we have started our new lesson knowing about plants. In the previous class we learned about the root. Okay, root and its modifications. Roots are of two types, stem root and fibrous roots. So as we learned that taproot system is mainly seen in dicotyledons, that in sense the seed which contain or the plant which contain two seeds. Okay. Next, fibrous root is commonly seen in monocotyledons. Monocotyledons means these plants contain single-seeded plants. Okay. Next, also we have seen that some roots, okay, some roots store their food on the some plants store its food in its roots. So such plants such roots are called as tuberous roots. Okay. They use to store their food on the roots, and such roots are called as tuberous roots. Okay. For example, carrot, radish, onion, etc. Okay. Next one. Also we have started introduction regarding stem. Okay. So in the stem, what we have learned, what is meant by stem. So here let me know about the stem first. Okay. The aerial part of the plant body above the ground is known as shoot system. Main axis of the shoot system is stem. Okay. The aerial part, that in sense the part which is rising from the ground towards the sunlight is known as stem. Okay. So also this part is known as shoot system. As we know that which contain roots is known as root system. Okay. The shoot system consists of stems, leaves, fruits and flowers. So here the shoot system contains fruits, flowers, leaves and stem part. Okay. Shoot system consists of fruits, flowers, leaves and stem. Also in the root system, not only it contains roots, but also to some plants, for some plants it also contains fruits. Okay. For example, groundnut. Next, carrot, beetroot, etc. So for these plants, root system contains roots and fruits. Commonly, the shoot system contains fruits, flowers, leaves and stem, etc. Okay. Next, functions of the stem. Okay. The stem supports the branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Okay. This stem supports to the leaves, fruits, flowers and branches. Next, stem transport water and minerals from root to upper aerial parts of the plant. Okay. From here, right from the roots, the water will travel along the aerial system of the aerial part of the plant. That means soil contains minerals and water. So those water can be These are the tissues which will transport minerals and water to the stem part. Okay. Next, transport food from leaves to other parts through stem. Okay. In the leaves, as we know that leaves contain green color pigment. Okay. Green color pigment, and it is known as chlorophyll. In the presence of this chlorophyll, it absorbs sunlight and it undergoes photosynthesis. Okay? Photosynthesis, and they synthesize they produce carbohydrates. Okay? So, in the leaves contain green color pigment and it is known as chlorophyll. This chlorophyll, in the presence of sunlight, it synthesizes, it produces carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are stored in the leaves. Okay. From here, from the leaves, all the food materials are transported to through this stem part. Okay. As I told that leaves will produce food materials. That food materials will transport to the stem part through the stem part. Okay. Stores food as in the case of sugar cane. Okay. You know that sugar cane consists of sugars in its stem. Okay. So we used to eat the sugar cane stem, right? We will eat leaves or we will eat roots. No, we will go through the sugars which contain on its stem. Okay. Next one. Do you know modification of stem? Okay. Next one is modification of stems. Okay. Some plants like potato, turmeric, garlic, ginger and sugar cane store food materials in the stem, do which the stem bulges in size. Generally we think that these are all tubers or roots. Actually they are modified stems. Okay, what he is saying that sugar cane, potato, ginger, garlic are the stems. Okay, these are known as stems. Though the fruit comes under near to the roots, they does not said to be tuberous roots. Okay, they are said to be, they are comes under on the stem modification. That means underground stem modification. So sugar cane consists in its stem we will get sugar, and in the potatoes. So in the potato, what we will see? We will see carbohydrate. Next in ginger and garlic. So all these comes under the stem modification, but not root modification. Roots are only carrot and beetroot. Okay. Next about leaf modification. Okay. Next one is about leaves. Okay. We will see different kinds of leaves. So different kinds is some will be like scaly. That means in the margin they will appear like this. Okay. Some are just as thorns. Okay. So we will see different kinds of leaves for different plants. Okay. Leaves are another important part of plants. Most plants that we see in our surroundings have different types of leaves. Observe the given picture of a leaf and its parts, where the leaf attached to the stem. Okay. Okay. So this is known as petiole. Okay. This part where the stem is connected to the leaf, and that part is known as petiole, and these are known as veins, and group of these lines are known as veinlets, and this is known as lamina, and this is known as midrib. Okay, line which present on the leaf is known as midrib, and the part where the stem is attached to the leaf is known as petiole, and it contains a small lines, and these lines are known as veins, and group of veins are known as veinlets. Okay. Next, are all the leaves are same? So all the leaves doesn't look same. So as I told before that some are scaly and some are according to their arrangement. Leaves will be seen in different shapes. Okay, some will be round, and in the lotus we will see these kind of leaves, right? Round shaped leaves, and to the mango we will see the leaves in a slight oval shape, and in the lady's finger we will see umbrella like structure present on the leaves. Okay, venation. Next one about venation. The leaf lamina usually consists of a midrib, veins and veinlets arranged in the form of network. To this venation, let us do an activity. Put a leaf under a white sheet of paper or sheet in your notebook. Okay, let me see about venation. Here I told you about veins. Okay, and here to these small lines also they contain very small projection of lines here. Okay, those are known as veinlets. Okay, this is midrib which contain the leaf which contain this long line is known as midrib. Okay, next let me know about or let us learn about venation. So venations are of two types: parallel, reticulate. So